I'm Mishika, and today we are going to learn Fibonacci program in Python. So let's start. What is Fibonacci series? Okay, so let's see. This is a Fibonacci series. Here, the first number is 0. We take 3 variables. Here I am taking A, B and C. The first 2 numbers are 0 and 1. Here we put 0 in one variable. I am putting 0 in A. So A equals to 0. Then I am putting 1 in one variable. I am taking 1 in B. And then we have to plus these 2 numbers. Plus A and B means the value in A and B means plus 0 and 1, and the value that comes from when plussing this will be in C, that is another variable. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, now let's see for the third number. Here now we have to plus. Okay, now we have to keep the B value in A and the C value in B. Okay, so let's see. Means B value equals to A, means the B value will go in A, means A will equals to 1. A equals to 1. Then we put a plus sign. Then the C value will go in B, means B equals to 1. Then the C value, when we will plus this, the C value will become 2. And 2 is the number for fourth number in the series. Okay, now how to find the fifth number in this series? So the B value will go in A and the C value will go in B. Means A equals to 1 and B equals to 2. And the C value becomes 3. Then for the sixth number, we put B value in A and C value in B. So let's do it. Means A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Then the C value becomes 5. Then for the seventh number, B plus the B value comes in A and C value comes in B. Means A equals to 3 and B equals to 5 equals to 8. Okay, now did you understand how to form a Fibonacci series? Okay, now let's make the program for it. So open your Python and open a file for it in it. For opening a file, click on File menu and click on New File. Now let's start to write our program. First I will write def. Def is a function. Then I will write fib. That is the name of my def function. Then in brackets I will write n and then colon. N is a variable. Now I will write A equals to 0. A is a variable and the value in A is 0. Then B equals to 1. B is another variable and it has the value of 1. Then we print A and be printed. Then we will use a loop. So for I in range of 2, I am writing 2, comma n colon. Then I will write that C equals to A plus B. Why? Because C is another variable and the value in C will be A, the sum of A and B. Means the value of the C will be the sum of 0 and 1. Then we will write A, then after that A equals to B. Means the B value will go in A and B equals to C. Means the C value will go in B. Then we will write print C. Right? Then we have to write our function's name. Like I'm writing fib and I'm writing 15. Why 15? Because I want 15 Fibonacci series numbers to be printed. Okay, now let's save it in a file, in a folder. For saving it, click on File menu and click on Save. Now open a folder in which you want to save this and then write a name for your folder, file. Like I'm writing Fibonacci series free. Now let's click on save to save it. Now I will click on run menu and run module, or I can also press the F5 key on my keyboard to run this program. See, it has printed 15 numbers of Fibonacci series. Now, if I want to print 20 numbers here of Fibonacci series, in the last the fib and in the brackets that I written 15, that I will change to 20, and then I will click on run module or press F5 key on my keyboard to run it. See, it has printed 20 numbers. Okay, so thank you friends for watching my video, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe my videos too. Bye for now. We will meet next time. Bye and thank you. Bye.